Hey everyone, it's CC Galore here, and if you want to see how I did this half up, half down quick weave, stay tuned. So I blow dried my hair out, and this is all my natural hair. Next, I'm going to part half up and half down. So you see I separated the hair. I'm going to braid the back of the head, and no hair is going to be left out in the back. So that's what it looks like. Next, I'm going to flat iron the front half of my hair. I'm taking a hot comb to the roots and then flat ironing the rest of the hair. You want to get it nice and straight because this part is going to be sleek. Once I flat ironed all that, that's how it came out to look. Next, I'm going to take a wig cap. I'm going to put that over the whole head, and that's what it looks like. And this is what the back looks like. Next, I'm taking my growth protection solution, and that's going to go on the back half of my hair. And this is going to protect your hair from any glue. And I'm just taking it and I'm spreading that all over the back half where the braids are going to be at. Now I'm just blow drying it so that it's nice and hard. And I cut away all the pieces of the cap so that I could expose the top half, and this is what it looks like. So this part I did off of camera. I just laid my baby hairs. And I used the growth protection on that little part of hair as well, and I wrapped it with some wrap paper. And here I'm using big rubber bands around the top part of that. And that's the hair I'm using. So this process is going to be really quick. This is just me gluing the hair to the back of my head. And I did the rest off of camera, but I'm just showing you how it looked. I wrapped the hair around the braid. And then I took a piece of the hair and wrapped that around as well to give a high ponytail on top. And that's what those rubber bands were for earlier as well, so that it remains high up. And that's what it looks like after I blow dried the got-to-be spray around the shaft. And this is the final look. I did add some pieces of track hair to my real hair in the front to kind of give it a longer look. I did that off of camera as well. And that's the back of the head. So this is just a quick tutorial on how to do the half up, half down. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe.